Summer really is the season that can break your skincare routine. Hey, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel where we talk all about how to glow from the inside out. Summer is such a tricky season for skincare because your moisturizer may feel heavy and greasy. You're sweating through your sunscreen layers. You may want to show off that body skin, but it looks lifeless and dull. You want to exfoliate, but you're afraid of becoming photosensitive and accumulating sun damage. And despite all the humidity in the air, your skin is still dehydrated. And it's not just you. These are common problems that people face in summer with skincare products. So today I've got your summer skincare starter pack. I've got 7 skincare products that address 7 different common issues that can happen in the summertime. So if you're so ready, give the video a big thumbs up, hit subscribe anytime during the video. If this helps you out and you want to see some more from me, come join our skincare community. Play my intro and let's jump into the video. Problem number 1, you skip out on sunscreen every day because you hate how it feels on your skin. My product solution, the iUNIK Centella Calming Daily Sun Water. The number one reason why people skip out on sunscreen, at least in my personal experience, the struggle really is how heavy sunscreen feels. So my solution, this iUNIK Daily Sun Water, it is a fluidy, almost milky-like essence toner texture. It does have a little bit of a slip to it, but it does feel refreshing and cooling on application, and it really does coat your skin in a really interesting way. Now you want to apply this at the end of your skincare routine, even though it is like a toner and a toner texture, because it is a sunscreen product, a sun protection product. This would go on as the last step of your skincare routine. This would go on exactly where you would put a traditional sunscreen. So I'm actually wearing this sunscreen today. I put it right on top of my moisturizer. It coats your skin in this really hydrating, plumping texture. It sinks in like a toner essence that has just a little bit of body and a little kiss of skin conditioning moisture to it. It leaves your skin really, really smooth, velvety, and a little bit glowy. And it's actually a really great prep product for makeup. I put, a pretty decent full face of makeup on today. And this actually provided the perfect, hydrated, but not greasy base for my makeup, for it to adhere to my skin, create that little bit of glowy gloss, that kind of glass skin effect to my skin, that plump, hydrated look, right? But it isn't sticky or tacky. It's not heavy or greasy. My skin feels so incredibly light, so incredibly refreshed. I don't feel like I'm wearing a sunscreen or sun cream. So this offers SPF 50 plus PA plus 4 protection. It is a chemical sunscreen using the new generation filters. This is not a water resistant sunscreen, so this is definitely for casual sun exposure. This is not going to be for outdoor sports, sweating, swimming, any of that type of stuff. It's just not going to be protective enough in those situations, but especially for summer makeup looks or just when you don't want to bother with all of that grease. Problem number 2, your skin is oily but also dehydrated. Like how? How is this possible? My solution, the Round Lab Soybean Serum. Dehydrated skin is one of the most misunderstood skin conditions during the summertime. Your skin is producing oil, sometimes even more oil than it normally does, is because it's overcompensating for a lack of hydration. Your skin is losing water, losing hydration in a process called transepidermal water loss. And it's losing that because of the heat and because of the harsh air conditioning. So what you really need to do is balance that out. And yes, you need to hydrate your skin, but you also need to strengthen up your skin so that it resists that transepidermal water loss in the first place. And you know what that comes back down to, right? The skin barrier. So what I love about this Round Lab Soybean Serum is that it actually provides the 3 essential lipids that you need to strengthen up that skin barrier and keep it really strong and healthy. Ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. These are the main lipids that are naturally found in the skin barrier. So I love the Round Lab Serum because it provides all of those essential ingredients, what I call the Holy Trinity, they're that good, in this lightweight, fluidy gel texture. It's incredibly hydrating. It's very, very very light and thin. It's refreshing, a little bit cooling even on the skin, and incredibly breathable. And yet it still is strong enough to fight off the dehydration and strengthen up your skin barrier. It's just not doing it in a cream or an oily type of format. It is so perfect for hot, humid summer days. It's going to work for a majority of skin types, even if you're struggling with lots of oil on your skin. And it just feels so good. So this has become a staple for me. It's been in all of my skincare routines, especially in the morning when I want to keep things nice and light and I want to wear some makeup as well. Problem number 3, your skincare feels too heavy in the summer heat. My product solution, the iUNIK Beta-Glucan Lacto Barrier Milk Essence. In the winter where I live, it gets very cold, harsh, icy, snowy, and I love turning to rich, milky, creamy barrier essences and toners. But those same products that I adore in winter feel like wearing a winter coat in 90-degree heat once summer hits. Like they're just too much. They are too thick, greasy. They weigh my skin down. They feel like just suffocating. And not only that, they can actually clog my pores. I really fell in love with this newer release from iUNIK, the Beta-Glucan Lacto Barrier Milk Essence, because it really combines all the things I love about those richer, creamier products in more of a gel-like consistency that is hydrating, that goes deep down and really replenishes any dehydration I'm feeling, plumps out my skin, makes it really bouncy, but it doesn't weigh it down with oily moisture or a lot of creaminess. It feels a lot more refreshing, yet still protective on my skin. So there's 68% of lactobacillus ferment lysate. So this is really going to help strengthen up the skin microbiome, also create a really nice, healthy looking complexion, just promoting healthy skin overall. They've also included 7 different types of peptides. We have epidermal growth factors in here for cell regeneration and rejuvenation. There's a kiss of bakuchiol in here for some brightening and collagen support. So it really builds in all of those great benefits, like a very well-rounded type of essence. It's not just about balancing out my combo skin in the heat with this nice refreshing gel texture. It's actually providing a lot of those ingredients that promote healthy skin, that promote a well-aging skincare routine, that promote a bright and healthy complexion, all the things that I'm looking for in the summertime, kind of an all-in-one type of solution in one bottle. This can replace your toner and essence step. That's something I've been playing around with in the warmer weather to cut down on thickness in my skincare routine. I'm not doing separate toner, separate essence, but because of all these good ingredients, you could also consider skipping out on serum if you wanted to as well, really streamlining your skincare routine. Problem number 4, your eyes look puffy and tired all summer long. My product solution, the Axis Y Vegan Collagen Eye Serum. So heat can make everything swell a little bit, right? So if you're already prone to puffy eyes, you may notice that they actually get worse in the summertime. First and foremost, we have a metal roller ball applicator. And this is so amazing for creating that cooling, rolling, massaging sensation in this area that is going to help to depuff the eye area, especially if you feel that, or if you just have a hard time waking up and feeling refreshed in the morning. But then the coolness, and then you get that massage, which kind of helps get the lymphatic drainage going in that area. That is also going to meaningfully contribute to depuffed eye area. The second reason why I like this for summer is the texture. It's got this gorgeous medium gel texture. It is not oily, emollient, moisturizing. It is truly hydrating, and it's such an amazing gel texture. It cools and refreshes. It dives deep down with a lot of hydration. My under eye area in the winter goes very dry. In the summer, a little bit dehydrated, a little bit more prone to that. And you know, when the under eye area gets a little dehydrated and it's not like really plump, the fine lines appear a lot more prominent. We don't want that, right? So this gel texture actually really plumps and smooths out the eye area in a really appealing way. And then it hydrates long term. It feels really cooling and it's not heavy. And so this means you're going to get a lot less mascara smudging if you're a makeup wearer. You're going to get a lot less of that, but just less overall grease and heaviness in the eye area, plus the cooling sensation. It's so good. So So I think this is a great one, especially for folks who maybe skip out on eye cream because of that creamy texture in hot weather. Problem number 5, you want to exfoliate your skin, but you're afraid of accumulating sun damage in the summertime. My product solution, the Laneige Water Bank Aqua Facial. This is actually a problem that I have struggled with for so many summers, especially as an adult who uses retinoids. The fear of photosensitivity, especially with like AHA chemical exfoliants, they actually can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. If you're more sensitive to the sun, you're going to be more prone and more vulnerable to the damaging inflammation that not only speeds up the aging process in your skin, but can also create sun damage. The lactic acid and glycolic acid that they're using in here are traditionally photosensitizing ingredients, but they're being used in a lesser amount. BHA, salicylic acid, does not make your skin more photosensitive, and PHA, the gluconolactone in here, also is not a photosensitizing ingredient. They're also using some other ingredients in here that aid the exfoliating process, but not in that chemical exfoliating way. Enzymes like protease help to loosen up the excessive oil and keratin that hold on to the dead skin cells in your skin that get trapped inside of your pores and create texture and clogged pores. So it aids the acids in here and helps them to work more efficiently without bumping up the percentage of the acids. You see how they've done this? It's actually a really smart formula. This is a very thin, liquidy, almost gel, like a liquidy gel-like texture. Kind of feels like an essence or a toner. This is a leave-on product, so you would put it on kind of like a serum in your skincare routine. And when you wake up, your skin is smoother, it's softer, it's brighter, it's more rejuvenated. I also notice when I use this product, especially consistently, and really consistently for me is like once a week, honestly, I notice that my skin is retaining a lot more hydration as well. It's just generally looking better. And I think the rest of my skincare products are just working better because I'm getting just that nice gentle dose of consistent, exfoliation without blasting my skin. Now, this is a mid-range priced product, right? It's not a budget, but it's also not a splurge either. It's definitely in the middle. It is Sephora, pricing for sure. But one thing I will tell you about this product that I'm personally experiencing, I bought this in January. We're in June now. I still have quite a bit of product. I use this consistently once or twice a week. It has this very precise dropper at the bottom of the package, and then we've got this plunger button on the top, and so it very precisely doses just the right amount of product. Actually goes a long way. You can get a lot of use from it, and I think the packaging is incredibly smart because you're going to be able to utilize all of the product very effectively. Problem number 6, you can't reapply your sunscreen over your makeup, and you're supposed to reapply. That sunscreen application is, effectiveness is starting to wear down. That you need to be reapplying it every 2 hours when you're in the sun consistently, right? This, and yet, how do I do this with all this makeup on my face, right? Age-old question. There are a lot of different solutions out there, but one of the ones that just makes the most sense for me personally is a Sun Pact. So my product solution is the VT PDRN Essence Glow Sun Pact. So this offers SPF 50 plus PA plus 3 protection in a chemical sunscreen formula. And this is a compact with a balmy sunscreen formula. And this applies just like a cushion foundation would. It comes with a puff, it's a compact, and it's amazing for carrying around in your purse. And you can reapply on the go. Now, the thing about this type of reapplication is you do want to make sure that you are reapplying this generously. And when you use the puff that comes in the pact, you want to make sure that you're patting that, so an up and down motion into your skin. You're not wiping it or swiping it across your skin. This is not only about maintaining your makeup look, right? But it is also about ensuring that you're getting a good amount of sunscreen, that you're patting into your skin, and you're going to be very methodical. Really take your time to reapply this because, again, this is your protection product, right? So apply it generously and apply it mindfully. Don't just go done, right? Take a little bit of time and be very, very thorough, because that is one of the downfalls of these types of reapplication products. They don't always offer the best protection, but if you are using them strictly to reapply sunscreen over your original sunscreen product, not as your only sunscreen product, you are getting very adequate additional protection that really makes sense for reapplication. Now, I used this all last summer and I really, really enjoyed it because it did not pick up a lot of my foundation as I was reapplying the sunscreen. It also did not impart a white cast to my makeup. Problem number 7, your body skin looks dull in summertime. My product solution, the Supergoop Glow Dry Body Oil SPF 50, offering broad spectrum protection. In the summertime, like, you probably want to show off a little bit of skin, a little bit of short sleeve action. Yeah, I definitely love wearing dresses and skirts. Like, you cannot find me in pants when it's warm outside. Like, it's just not gonna happen. But here's the thing about body sunscreen, and like, you should be wearing it. Yeah, if you're exposing any skin, especially in high UV situations, you should be using some type of sun protection. The biggest barriers to wearing sunscreen consistently is just it not feeling comfortable on your skin. So that's where this product comes in. And this is a newer discovery for me, but I was like, I like wearing this. My skin feels comfortable in this. And not only that, my skin is moisturized, but not greasy. And it is popping. Like, the oil effect of this product makes your legs look killer because you get a little bit of that shine, right? And so it just makes everything look a little bit better, a little bit more dewy, a little bit more glowy, a little bit more summery, if you will, but it's not heavy and thick and plasticky feeling on your skin. It's amazing. And so I've been finding myself actually not only wearing more body sunscreen when I normally would be like, maybe I can get away without it. I'm telling you, I am telling you all my dirty little secrets right now. But I'm also like kind of looking forward, like, yeah, I'm going to put this on my skin because it feels so good. So this is a dry textured body oil. It is based off of argan oil, grapeseed oil, and meadow foam seed oil. And so you get the moisturization, you get that little bit of the glow, but it is really absorbing into your skin instead of sitting in a greasy layer on top of your skin. And it's still offering sunscreen protection. Like, mind blown. Now, I will tell you, this does feel moisturizing. It does sink into the skin really, really nicely. It does contain a bit of denatured alcohol, and I am not mad at that. Now, I usually talk about products that don't contain drying forms of alcohol, especially because I mostly talk about face skincare, and my skin, my face, sensitive to denatured alcohol. It's not bad on a whole, but if you're sensitive to it, it feels bad, right? So I know you guys rely on me a lot for the denatured alcohol recommendations. I want to let you know this is a body product with some denatured alcohol in it. That alcohol is serving a purpose for that dry oil feel to this. Remember how I was saying that it doesn't sit on top of your skin? That's the denatured alcohol at play. So this is a splurge. It's about $40. It is Sephora pricing, you know what I'm saying? But for me, it has been personally worth it because, like I said, I'm actually wanting to put on body sunscreen now. I'm not dreading it, and I'm definitely not skipping out on it. So what's your biggest summertime skin problem? Drop it in the comments. I want to know, did I cover your concerns, or do you have other ones that I can help you out with, or our community can jump in and help you out with too? Because if you have the solution, you're reading through the comments and you have the solution, don't be shy. Hit reply. Help your fellow friends out. Everybody here is so incredibly helpful. If this video helped you out and you haven't hit subscribe yet, please hit subscribe if you want to see some more content from me. And if you want to learn more about these products and where to buy them, I also have you covered in that pinned comment. I'm going to have all the links and all the different places that you can get these products because I got you. I just want to encourage you to keep shining your bright, beautiful, individual, glowy light out into the world, right? We always talk about the inner glow. It starts from inside, but the second step to that is sharing that out to the world. Don't keep it hidden. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's uniquely you. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.